CloudCIX is a multi-tenanted cloud platform. Each tenant is called a CloudCIX member. Membership is the name of the software that manages access and controls data confidentiality. This video explains what membership is and how it works. We will begin by giving an overview of the CloudCIX software. CloudCIX provides two functionality groupings. First, Infrastructure as a Service allows you to build cloud computing infrastructure projects involving compute, storage, and networking. Secondly, Software as a Service allows you to build business processes involving financial, CRM, personnel, and support. The functionality can be consumed via a set of user interface apps, or it can be consumed via applications that expose REST API microservices. Membership orchestrates all of this functionality, controlling access and preventing data leakage between members. The three principal entities managed by membership are member, address, and user. A CloudCIX member is an organization. This is different from social media platforms where members are individuals. In CloudCIX, it is the organization that is the member. Business is transacted at the address level within members. An address is usually a geographic location from which business is transacted. If you perform almost any business transaction, the entity with which you transact is one address of an organization. Small organizations may only have one address, but large organizations will have many. The SaaS part of CloudCIX allows an address in one member to have financial or supply chain transactions with an address in another member. This creates the concept of partner or linked addresses. Of course, it is ultimately a person with credentials using the user interface or a software agent with credentials using the API that actually initiates a transaction. These credentials define a user in CloudCIX. A user has a start date and an expiry date and can only log in between those dates. When a user leaves a member, it is important to update the expiry date to prevent unauthorized access beyond that date. Every user is associated with one address at a particular moment in time. A user can be a local user, locked to a single address. They can only see data relating to that single address and perform transactions for the address at which they are located. Other users can be global users. They can change their address to any other address in their member. Users that have global permissions can decide to act globally or act locally. This will determine whether data returned in some queries will be for the entire membership or for just the address they are currently connected to. Every member must have one or more administrator users. These accounts never expire and have all privileges. They are used to create, expire, and control access rights for other users.